Here I have MG MS6 and let me show you how to enable or disable rear cross traffic assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find the car icon. It's located at the bottom of the screen. Now let's use the upper menu and let's switch from driving control to the MG Pilot. And here in MG Pilot you need to scroll down. Let's scroll down far enough to find here rear cross traffic assist. Let's read the information about it. So here you've got two modes. Alert, it detects objects moving across the rear of the vehicle when reversing and alerts the driver of any collision risk. And braking, detects objects moving across the rear of vehicle when reversing. If there is a collision risk, it will apply the vehicle brakes and alert the driver. So if you know the theory, you can decide either you would like to use it on alert or braking or keep it off. In my case, I would like to use the full of this feature, so I would use the braking, so it will alert me, or also use my brakes if there is a really high chance of the collision. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.